Good morning, class 7. Welcome back to your chemistry classroom once again. Hope all of you are well. After Fuja vacation, this is your first class and I'm going to discuss the exercise of the chapter 5, language of chemistry. Because before Fuja vacation, already I have completed the chapter. So let's start the discussion. I will discuss the just MCQ type of question and you will just follow the MCQ type of question. No need to write all long question answer as your project copy. So just follow the MCQ type of question because your question will be MCQ type for second term. Select the correct answer for A, B, C, D and E for each statement given below. So options are here. First statement is the black residue obtained on heating copper carbonate. Answer is B, means copper to oxide. The basic gas obtained when two gases react in the presence of catalyst and the reaction is exothermic. Answer is E. E means ammonia. The gas obtained when potassium chlorate is heated in the presence of catalyst. Answer is C because answer is oxygen. Next, the pale blue precipitate obtained when copper to sulfate react with the sodium hydroxide. Answer is D, copper to hydroxide. The last one is the gas which react with oxygen to give a neutral liquid. That is A, means hydrogen. Give a word equation for each of the following reactions. Two solids which combine on heating to gives a liquid. So answer will be carbon plus sulfur. It produces carbon sulfide. Two solids. So just learn the name of the two solids. Carbon and sulfur. It produces carbon disulfide. Two gases which combine to give a solid, that is ammonia and hydrogen chloride gas. It produces ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. So just mind it, दो ऐसा कोई गैस जो एक दूसरे के साथ कॉम्बाइन होने के बाद एक सॉलिड प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, that is ammonium and hydrogen chloride gas. Both combine together to form a solid, that is ammonium chloride. It is a salt. Next, a compound which on heating shows a color change from a brown to yellow, that is lead nitrate. So you just learn the name of the compound, that is lead nitrate. Lead nitrate को अगर हम लोग heat देंगे, it's change its color brown to yellow. A salt which react with ammonium hydroxide to give a reddish brown precipitate. Answer is iron chloride. So the name of the salt is iron chloride. When we react with ammonium hydroxide, I mean NH4OH, it produces ammonium chloride and ferric hydroxide. Number 5, an exothermic reaction where both the reactants are gases, one of which is oxygen. Answer is sulfur dioxide plus oxygen. When react with each other, it produces sulfur trioxide. So whereas two reactant are gases and again after the reaction the product is also gas. Next, name the following. The silvery residue obtained on the heating mercury to hydroxide, that is mercury. The gas evolved when a dilute acid is added to a chalk, that is carbon dioxide. Two nonmetals which react explosively when brought in the close contact, that is hydrogen and oxygen. So you just learn two nonmetals, the name of two nonmetals when we react explosively because hydrogen burn in the presence of oxygen explosively and it produce water and release heat. It is also an exothermic reaction. Two gases which react under pressure in the presence of catalyst and elevated temperatures to give a gaseous product. So the name of two gases are nitrogen and hydrogen. It produces ammonia. Again, the product is a gaseous product. ammonia, it is also a gaseous product. So तुम लोग को याद करना है कैसे? Name of two gases, nitrogen and hydrogen, both react in the presence of catalyst and it is elevated temperature, मतलब heat release करता है. And the product is also a gaseous substance, that is ammonia. The next one is a catalyst which increases the rate of the chemical reaction, that is manganese dioxide. It is a positive catalyst. So the positive catalyst, it actually helps the increase the rate of the chemical reaction, and the example is manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide actually used to the speed up the rate of the reaction. Next, give reason for the following. This portion is quite tough, so be careful about it. Even though rusting is an exothermic reaction, the heat evolved when an iron nail rust in the unnoticeable. For what? Because the exothermic reaction is very slow reaction. That's why when it releases the heat, basically the releasing phenomena is unnoticeable. I mean, the answer is the reaction is very slow process. That's why when it releases heat, it is unnoticeable. Electrolytic decomposition of water is a reacting involving change of state. For what? Because being electrolyzed, water decomposes into the two simpler substances, hydrogen and oxygen. That's why water is a liquid and it turns into two gaseous substance. These are hydrogen and oxygen. Next, a characteristic change of color is seen when a piece of iron is added to a copper sulfate solution. So what is the reason? Because when a piece of iron is added to the copper to sulfate solution, we can see the change of color. For what? Because iron is highly reactive than copper. That's why copper is displaced by the iron. That's why we see the color is turned into blue to pale green. Next, the catalytic oxidation of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide is represented by a double arrow between the reactant and products forming the chemical reaction. For what? Because in this reaction, when sulfur dioxide is added with in the presence of oxygen, it produces sulfur trioxide. We can use the double bond arrow. For what? Because sulfur trioxide, again, अगर उसको हम लोग हीट देंगे, इट डिकम्पोज इनटू सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड ऑक्सीजन. इसीलिए हम लोग बीच में डबल एरो लगाते हैं. सिल्वर सॉल्ट्स आर केप्ट इन द ब्लैक और डार्क कलर बॉटल. फॉर व्हाट? बिकॉज इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट सिल्वर सॉल्ट कैन स्टार्ट टू डिकम्पोज होना स्टार्ट कर देता है. इसीलिए ब्लैक कलर्ड और डार्क कलर बॉटल में रखा जाता है. नेक्स्ट, इस वर्ड इक्वेशन में लिखना है, मतलब इक्वेशन को वर्ड में लिखना है. राइट वर्ड इक्वेशन फॉर द फॉलोइंग केमिकल रिएक्शन गिवन बिलो एंड स्टेट द ऑब्जर्वेशन सीन इन दिस ईच केस. फर्स्ट वन इज जिंक कार्बोनेट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हीट डिकम्पोज इनटू जिंक ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. Another one is sodium chloride with react silver nitrate. It produce white color insoluble substance, that is silver chloride. Precipitate production कर रहा है. उसी के साथ sodium nitrate as a salt release कर रहा है. Number 3, sodium sulfite when react with dilute hydrochloric acid. In the presence of heat, it produces sodium chloride plus water plus sulfur dioxide gas. Next one is sulfur dioxide plus oxygen. In the presence of 450 degrees Celsius and the presence of vanadium pentoxide as a catalyst, it produces sulfur trioxide. The last one is lead nitrate when react with ammonium hydroxide, it produces ammonium nitrate as a salt and it released lead hydroxide as a precipitate. It is black in color. So student, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this long video. In the next class, I will start the last chapter because your exam will start from 15th November. That's why it is not possible to continue the workbook. So you will just try to follow the simplest MCQ type of question from each chapter. So for today, up to this portion.